The damage is not too bad. As long as the foundations are still strong, you can rebuild this place. It will become a haven for all peoples and aliens of the universe. Now those foundations are gone. Sorry.
No, I really wish I had my hammer.
Hammer?
Quite unique. It was made from this special metal from the heart of a dying star. And when I spun it really fast, it gave me the ability to fly.
You rode a hammer?
No, I didn't ride it.
The hammer rode you on your back. Do you reckon you'd be interested? This whole thing is a circle. But not a real circle, more like a freaky circle.
This doesn't make any sense.
Nah, nothing makes sense here, man. The only thing that does make sense is that nothing makes sense. Sounds like you had a pretty special and intimate relationship with this hammer, and that losing it was almost comparable to losing a loved one.
It's a nice way of putting it. Come on, ready to tell everybody who chopped Thanos' big head off.
Thornbreaker? Hey, take it easy, man. Over here, pile of rocks waving at you. Here. Yeah, I'm actually a thing. I'm a being. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Korg. I'm kind of like the leader in here. I'm made of rocks, as you can see, but don't let that intimidate you. Is that some sort of protoplasm, all the stuff that's coming out of you, or are they eggs? Looks like eggs. Hey, man. I'm Korg. This is me. We're gonna jump on that spaceship and get out of here. Wanna come? Hey, man. We're about to jump on that ginormous spaceship. You wanna come?
Wow, Meek. Where are you from?
Oh, Meek's dead. Yeah, and I accidentally stomped on him on the bridge. I just feel so guilty I keep carrying him around all day. Oh, Meek, you're alive!
Oh, Hulk, you know my friends, Meek and Korg, right?
Hey
guys, long time no see.
Beers in the bucket. Feel free to log into the Wi-Fi. No password, obviously.